day. Thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself and your family. I hope you're in good condition while watching my video. My name is Marilyn Negrito Parcon, 29 years of age. I'm already married with 2 sons, 9 and 3 years of age. I already experienced domestic helper in our country. The members are 3, 2 adults and 1 daughter. The age is 5 years old. My main duties are cooking, ironing and washing clothes, and playing with the child and tutoring her.
How many helpers in your employer's house?
I'm only one helper.
Do you have experience in taking care of the newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am. I have experience on my own baby, like changing diaper, changing clothes, and preparing bottle milk.
How about children? Do you have any experience?
Yes, ma'am.
What if the child is naughty? What are you going to do?
I'll be patient and treat them as my child too.
Are you capable enough in tutoring children?
Yes, ma'am. Like teaching them basic counting, storytelling, drawing, and teaching them how to sing nursery rhymes.
Are you willing to take care of an invalid or elderly person?
No, ma'am. I prefer to take care of child and newly born babies.
What if you will feel homesick? What are you going to do?
I will keep myself busy to work and I will divert my free time on playing and tutoring the children.
What if your employer is strict and demanding? What are you going to do?
I will ask the rules and regulations and follow them for their satisfaction.
If you have misunderstanding with your employer, what are you going to do?
I will be polite and say sorry and promise not to do the same mistakes again.
Do you mind your holiday will not be scheduled on Saturday or Sunday?
I don't mind, ma'am. It's depending on my employer's schedule.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Aside from safe country, it pays high salary.
Can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am. I will promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Can you give us a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
I have little hands, the left and the right. Hold them up high, so clean and bright. Clap them softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see.
So what is your message to your future employer?
Dear Madam, Sir, I know it's for you to select a new domestic helper. And I'm here applying, and I promise if will you hire me, I will do my very best as a domestic helper. I will follow your rules and regulations without complaint. And I promise to treat your family as mine too. And I promise to finish my contract and willingly to renew as long as you like me. I hope to see you soon. Thank you very much and God bless.